Imagine a man who's not just a legendary rock guitarist, but also an astrophysicist, investor, and philanthropist. Brian May isn't just the heartbeat of Queen's iconic sound. He's built an empire worth over $260 million through his music, smart investments, and unexpected passions. How did a rock star rise from the stage to the stars? Let's dive into Brian May's extraordinary journey, from a guitarist to a multi-millionaire and scientist. Born on July 19, 1947, in Hampton, London, Brian Harold May was destined for greatness. Raised by a Scottish mother and an English father, he inherited both intellect and creativity. A natural student, Brian excelled in his studies and pursued physics and mathematics at the prestigious Imperial College London. But despite his scientific talent, it was music that truly called to him. While still in university, he formed his first band, 1984. But it was with the band, Smile, that Brian May's destiny truly began. It wasn't long before Smile would merge into the legendary Queen, a band that would redefine rock music forever. In 1970, Brian May, along with Roger Taylor, Freddie Mercury, and John Deacon, formed Queen. Brian's home-built guitar, the iconic Red Special, became an inseparable part of the band's sound. His groundbreaking technique and unique guitar tones laid the foundation for songs like Bohemian Rhapsody, We Will Rock You, and The Show Must Go On, which remain some of the greatest rock anthems of all time. Queen's big break came in 1985 at the Live Aid concert, where their electrifying performance is still remembered as one of the best in rock history. Even after Freddie Mercury's tragic passing in 1991, Brian May and Roger Taylor continued to carry the Queen legacy, touring with Adam Lambert to this day. Brian May's impressive net worth of over $260 million is the result of his many revenue streams that go far beyond his music career. Queen's global success has made him a fortune through massive music royalties, with over 300 million records sold worldwide. Every time a Queen song plays on the radio, is used in movies, or streamed online, May earns royalties. His concerts with Queen plus Adam Lambert have also significantly boosted his wealth, bringing in millions from ticket sales and merchandise. Additionally, Queen's iconic music is often featured in movies, TV shows, and commercials, providing him with a continuous stream of licensing income. Beyond music, Brian has also been a smart investor, with investments in real estate, music publishing, and even space-related projects. His diverse portfolio of assets contributes significantly to his wealth. On top of that, May's scientific contributions, including his stereoscopic photography books and participation in space missions with NASA, have generated income while solidifying his reputation as both a musician and a scientist. Altogether, these multiple revenue sources make Brian May's wealth not just substantial but sustainable, securing his financial empire for years to come. Brian may not flaunt his wealth in an ostentatious manner, but he certainly enjoys the finer things in life. His mansion, Windlesham Mansion, located in Surrey, England, is a grand home that reflects his taste for heritage-style architecture. This mansion features multiple bedrooms, an extensive library, and a home studio where May continues to create music. For luxury, May owns classic cars like an Aston Martin and Rolls-Royce, vehicles that align with his refined style. As for his guitars, Brian's Red Special is iconic, but he also boasts a collection of rare and custom-made guitars, each of which is a testament to his musical journey. While Brian May is a celebrated musician, he is also a passionate scientist. With a PhD in astrophysics from Imperial College London, he has made significant contributions to space research. His work in stereoscopic photography is highly regarded, and his books have been bestsellers. Brian is also a strong advocate for space exploration, often speaking about the importance of studying asteroids and other celestial bodies. His involvement in Asteroid Day is a perfect example of how he uses his fame to raise awareness about important scientific issues. In addition, May's solo music career has been successful, with albums like Back to the Light, showcasing his musical versatility beyond Queen. Brian May's personal life is as impressive as his professional one. He was married to Christine Mullen and has 3 children. In 2000, he married actress Anita Dobson, and their bond remains strong. A dedicated animal rights activist, May founded the Save Me Trust, an organization that works to protect wildlife from harm, particularly fox hunting and badger culling. His commitment to making the world a better place is as strong as his dedication to music. May's health hasn't always been smooth sailing. He suffered a minor heart attack in 2020, requiring stents to be fitted. However, he recovered well and continues to stay active in both his scientific and musical endeavors. Brian May is not just a legendary guitarist, he's a multi-talented icon who has proven that true success comes from following one's passions, whether it's music, science, or philanthropy. His $260 million empire is a result of his hard work, dedication, and diverse interests. From the stage to the stars, Brian May's legacy continues to inspire millions around the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite Queen song.